Good day everyone, my name is Aljan Calabang. Today, we will talk about the shortest seek time first algorithm, or the SSTF scheduling. In this algorithm, the request which is closest to the current head position will be serviced next. Okay, let's give an example. With a given example of 120, 60, 110, 20, 140, 90, 10, and 150. Ang strategy ko ay hanapin ko muna ang pinakamalapit sa 70. So 60, 40, 40, then 20. Next is 10. And then 90. 100. 110. 120. And last is 150. So, i-point out na natin ang number 70, which is the head. Una naman ay ang 60, then 40, then 20, and next is 10, which is the lowest. So, pataas naman. Next is 90. Sunod ay 100. Sunod ay 110. And then 120. At uli ang 150. Next is, ilalay na natin ang mga dot. At doon natatapos ang ating SSTF scheduling algorithm. At maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig.